Anatomy and terminology repeated CPC MCQs. This is very common question in CPC exam, so note it down. Remember, this is often repeated. So question number 1, what is the term used for inflammation of the bone and bone marrow? There are 4 options. Option 1, chondromatosis, osteochondritis. Option C, costochondritis. Option D, osteomyelitis. So the question, inflammation of the bone and bone marrow, you know that. The answer is option D. The right answer is option D, osteomyelitis. Osteo which means bone, myeli which means bone marrow, and itis also inflammation. So what is the term used for inflammation of the bone and bone marrow is right answer option D, osteomyelitis. Then second question, the root word tricho means there are 4 options: hair, sebum, eyelid, trachea. The right answer is option A, hair. Tricho, which means hair. And question number 3, complete the series: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, and filling the blanks like. There are 4 options: medulla lobe, occipital lobe, middle lobe, inferior lobe. So these are lobes of cranial cavity, brain. Cranial lobes ആണ്. Skull lobe, frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe. So the answer is B, occipital lobe. Option B is the right answer. Then fourth question, ventral umbilical, phalangeal and incisional are the type of these are the type of option A, surgical approaches, option B, hernia, option C, organ found in the digestive system, option D, cardiac catheterization. So here is the many students get doubt here, but the answer is very simple. Ventral umbilical, incisional and phalangeal are the type of hernia. So the right answer is option B, hernia. These are hernia. And fifth question, fracturing acetabulum involve what area? Acetabulum location. The question is indirectly asking the location of the acetabulum. Answer is skull, shoulder, pelvis, leg. There are 4 options. So the right answer is pelvis. Acetabulum located on the pelvis, hip joint. Instead of pelvis, sometimes they will provide hip. The option is hip. So the answer will be hip or pelvis. The particular answer is pointed on pelvis, not hip. So right answer is option C, pelvis. The next question, question number 6. When patient is having a tenotomy performed on the abductor hallucis muscle, where is this muscle located? The direct question is indirect, direct question. Location of abductor hallucis muscle. Foot, upper arm, upper leg, hand. We know that it's a leg, so we have to confirm in upper leg or foot. So the answer is foot. Abductor hallucis muscle located foot. Option A is right answer. Then seventh one, which of the following is an example of electronic data? Option A, digital X-ray. Option B, an explanation of the benefit. Option C, advanced beneficiary notice. Option D, a written prescription. Which of the following is an electronic data? As we know that the right answer is option A. Digital X-ray is the right answer. The next question. Question number 8. A patient is having pyeloplasty performed to treat the uretero-pelvic junction obstruction. What is being performed? So that means, what is the means of pyeloplasty? So option A, surgical repair of the bladder. Okay. Then option B, removal of the kidney. Option C, cutting into the ureter. Option C, surgical reconstruction of the renal pelvis. Here we can directly eliminate 2 options, removal of the kidney and cutting into the ureter, because here is asking pyeloplasty. Plasty, which means repair. So there are 2 options remaining. Option A and option D is And option D is the right answer. Surgical reconstruction of the renal pelvis is the right answer. So option D is right answer here.